I don't get the Christmas ham thing. Never really had that, but it seems like, why?
Gotta have a ham. If there's no ham, no. I'm not happy. I want a big ham.
First things first. Happy holidays.
Oh God.
Do I have to eat this?
Yeah, go ahead. Eat it.
Did you bake this, Matt?
No, it's Whole Foods. First question is, what's your take on pumpkin pie?
It's okay. I'm more into pecan pie, I think.
I actually quite like pumpkin pie. Like at first I thought it was the weirdest thing ever, and now I'm like, okay.
It smells very nutmeggy.
So I don't like this texture. It's like baby food.
This is like an Amazon pumpkin pie?
Whole Foods.
It basically is.
It's
Whole Foods.
Pumpkin pie is obviously very traditional on the holiday table. What makes up a traditional holiday meal in your families?
We obviously eat Indian food for a lot of holidays. Well, for a lot of Indian holidays, but honestly, they do that even for Thanksgiving and Christmas. It's really weird.
Our biggest family day is probably Christmas Day. We wake up early, we do the presents, and then we immediately start drinking. And I mean like onto the hard stuff.
Well, you're Armenian, so what do you have at your holiday dinners?
It's usually like a mixture of like traditional Armenian Mediterranean dishes.
Dad's on the scotch.
Hummus, baba ganoush, tabbouleh, falafel.
I'm definitely on the mimosa to start out.
Is there solid food?
And then like a few of like the standard holiday dishes.
So when I first moved to this country and we had our first Thanksgiving meal, we had to do all that American stuff, even though nobody wanted to eat turkey, nobody wanted to eat casserole. So after the first year, then we did the whole Filipino thing, roast pork and crispy fried chicken.
We go to Minneapolis to my brother-in-law's, who's a hunter. So usually we have like some meal that he's like, destroyed.
Lasagna, first course, and then like some kind of roast. So like this year I think we're doing like a filet mignon roast maybe.
Ooh.
With like a really nice pan gravy.
Yeah, see, that's like next level.
What's one holiday food or drink you really just don't understand?
Eggnog.
Really?
Yeah. It's weird.
That's why it's so good.
It's weird.
Pumpkin pie, I just don't like the texture.
Sweet potato with marshmallows?
Is that what it is?
Is that what you mean?
It's like don't mix these
it's
two.
It's not good.
The first time that I had like Thanksgiving dinner as opposed to like a Christmas dinner in the UK, I was like, what the f is this shit? One Thanksgiving I went to someone's house and they had lasagna as a side.
Lasagna, first course.
No.
But that is very American though.
You were like, it doesn't suit the plate. None of it goes together.
Holidays are generally filled with family you may only see that one time of the year. This can result in some interesting political conversations. What's been a moment that you can remember of heated or uncomfortable dialogue at the dinner table?
My God, I don't think we want to go there. I'm not ready to embarrass my family.
I don't remember anything too contentious because Filipino families are just happy people.
I don't know, I can't really name names or name like titles of family members.
Sorry, Mom and Dad. I hate when they call me Bernadette Sanders because they like demonize Bernie Sanders.
Have you ever had a family member who thinks differently to you or?
Oh, yeah, but we also don't talk about that, and I think that's the whole Catholic thing. It's like we don't deal with problems. We repress all that, and we take it out on the food.
There's been like some, very tense moments about obviously in 2016, the election. There was some of that happening with big conflicts between liberals and conservatives. Brexit is a hot button issue, and so we in my household have kind of said that certain topics are like off the table.
I feel like ours aren't too bad because I think generally speaking, the people I spend Thanksgiving with are usually politically aligned.
What's your best tips for navigating the holidays?
Lots of wine.
Yes, highly recommend.
Always have an exit strategy, whether that be locking yourself in a bathroom and scrolling Instagram for hours until things cool down.
Meditation.
Yes, I would suggest that.
That's helpful.
Lock yourself in your room.
I'm hibernating for the holidays. So I have 3 to 4 days of being by myself and I don't deal with family. And it's my 6th year this year and it's great.
Take a nap after the meal.
Nap.
You have to take a nap after the big meal.
I do think that like making sure that you do what you want to do is actually a good thing, is that we feel so much pressure to like, fulfill a role that our family wants us to be, and like we really don't have to do that.
And you're probably doing somebody else a favor. If you say no, they're like, oh, thank God I don't have to cook.